Oh well. More prey for us.
Wait! You're getting nothing from the fresh kill pile today.
Huh? No kid tells me I can't eat.
You want to eat? Catch something worth eating. This is kit food.
Are they going to fight?
Hush.
The prey I catch isn't good enough for you?
You've been bringing less and less back to camp. This is the most pitiful offering yet.
Have you been counting what I catch?
Of course I have. I'm the leader of this group. I make sure every cat pulls his weight.
You sound like a clan cat.
So, they eat well.
If you like rules.
Rules will keep our bellies full.
Is that why we came here? To hide behind bushes and hunt prey no one else wants? We live on a tiny piece of land when there's a whole territory right there for the taking.
Grassheart's kids. Is he threatening them?
We don't need the pine forest yet. For now, we've got everything we need and we don't have to fight for it. We won't be taking over anyone's territory until I say so.
You've grown soft.
Watch out!
Let him go. You'll kill him. Are you okay?
Who's the leader?
You are.
Don't challenge me again.
I won't.
No, you won't.
You blinded him!
I only half blinded him. A half-blinded cat threatens no one.